What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Heaven's Baking Culinary Institute. I know I've been gone for a while. Today I will be baking some sugar cookies for tomorrow's bake sale. But for today, I'm gonna go ahead and do some buttercream. I did not forget about the buttercream series, but today I do want to focus on the things that I have for today. Today is Saturday, May 16th, I believe. Yes, May 16th. And I have some cakes that we're doing at the workshop for the youth ministry today, and I'll be baking, well, I already baked the yellow chiffon cake. That's already on my channel if you guys want to know how to use that recipe and go from there. As I said before, I did not forget about the buttercream series. Italian buttercream will be next, if not French buttercream. I have to go in the order that I put on the post. And yeah, I look forward to checking in back with you guys later on. Okay, bye.
I'm gonna do a smile
Cake.
Yo, sponge cake is so good.
That's a nice blue.
Yes.
Look at you, Preston. Okay.
It reminds me of Spider-Man.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I'm gonna base mine off of
Hi, Mackenzie. Is it good?
Look at your tongue. Say ah. Don't eat that no more.